How to fix Spotify shuffle. If you want to fix shuffling on Spotify, for some reason shuffle is enabled, you want to disable it, or maybe you want to turn on or turn off shuffle. Either way, you first of all launch your Spotify app and go to the Your Library option from the bottom right, where you go to a certain playlist. Now sometimes shuffle might be enabled, and to disable it, Spotify is doing this for advertising purposes. It will ask you to get the premium. So unfortunately for the free users, you cannot fix shuffle if you are on free version, and you cannot turn off shuffle. Anything that you have within a certain playlist, it will actually play randomly, and you don't have option to play it serially. So unfortunately, the only option that you have is to simply get the premium. Otherwise, simply deal with the shuffle. To turn off shuffle, you will need to basically go ahead and then disable this little green icon or the shuffle icon that you can see here. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.